In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Excel couldn't start last time safe mode. If Excel keeps warning that it couldn't start last time and suggests safe mode, the most common cause is a problematic add-in. The quickest way to confirm and fix that is to start Excel in safe mode, turn off the add-ins, and then bring them back one at a time to find the culprit. I'll walk you through each step so you can get Excel launching normally again. First, open the Windows Run dialog. Press the Windows key and the R key together on your keyboard. That small box is a quick launcher for commands, perfect for starting Excel in a special diagnostic mode without any extra customizations getting in the way. In the box, type exactly excel.exe/safe. There's a space before the slash and you don't need quotation marks. Then click OK. Excel should open in safe mode, which you'll usually notice because it loads with minimal features and no third-party extensions. This stripped-down start is intentional. It tells us whether the core program is fine and helps isolate add-ins that might be crashing it. With Excel open in safe mode, head to the add-ins area. Click File in the top left, then choose Options. In the Excel Options window, select Add-ins on the left. You'll see a list of add-ins and, importantly, a Manage drop-down at the very bottom of the window. That's where we control different categories of add-ins. Open the Manage dropdown and switch it to COM add-ins, then click Go. COM add-ins are a frequent source of launch issues, so we'll start there. In the dialog that appears, uncheck every add-in in the list to disable them. You're not uninstalling anything. You're just turning them off so Excel can start cleanly. Click OK to confirm and close the dialog. Now close Excel and start it normally, the way you usually do. If it opens without the "couldn't start last time" message, that's your confirmation an add-in was to blame. From here, go back to File, Options, Add-ins, choose COM add-ins, and click Go again. Re-enable your add-ins one at a time, testing Excel between each change. When the problem returns right after you turn one back on, you found the faulty add-in. Leave that one disabled and keep the others enabled so you can continue working. If you rely on the problematic add-in, consider checking for an update from its developer later. Newer versions often resolve stability issues. That's it. By starting in safe mode and managing your COM add-ins, you can quickly restore a normal Excel launch and pinpoint the exact cause without guesswork.